What's going on, you beautiful people? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video we're going to answer the question how to start affiliate marketing. Where to begin if you can't wrap your head around how to actually get started, what steps to take to actually get started and finally take action so that way you can live your dream life. We're going to cover that in this video.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me.
Alright guys, so as stated guys, what is affiliate marketing? And first and foremost, if this is your first time coming across my channel, as stated before, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I am a full-time digital entrepreneur, world traveler, currently here in Bali, Canggu, Bali, on my basically condo or little mini villa. The beach is literally that way, and I actually leverage something called affiliate marketing that allows me to travel full-time simply by selling other people's products that I literally don't own, and it is the easiest business model to get started with, especially if you want to eventually become one of the Tai Lopez's or one of those big marketers, right? They all started within this field, right? And the reason why is because it's literally the easiest business model, so if you don't have experience, it's something that you can kind of get your feet wet, right? Now, what is affiliate marketing? The easiest way to actually explain it, right, is simply you're getting paid for referrals. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever watched a beautiful or amazing or funny movie and you decided to tell all your friends, and all of them actually went to the movies, they decided to make a purchase, they bought their movie tickets, they saw the movie, and then what they did is they actually referred their friends, and basically a whole bunch of people were referred, word of mouth advertisement, and these people bought it, and they literally wouldn't know about this movie if it wasn't for you, but you didn't get paid, right? Now imagine for every time you actually did word of mouth advertisement and somebody made a purchase, you actually got paid. That's simply what it is. You're getting paid to refer different products, right? Now, where to get started? On a constant, everyday basis, people always ask me the question, where did you start? Where did you begin? How do I begin? How do I get started? What do I do, right? Now, there's a couple key steps that you need to take to actually get started. The first one is figuring out your niche, right? Now, there's a variety of offers. There's a plethora of things that you guys can promote. Because imagine, there's going to be so many freaking people who would be willing to bring you on as an affiliate to promote their thing to drive more revenue to their business's bank account. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to align ourselves with asking the question, what is your niche? So a niche is specifically the interest, right? The space or the pocket within a marketplace, something that you're interested in that has literally its own products and services, right? So the big three niches is health, wealth, and romance, right? Those are the big three niches, right? But there's all different sub niches, right? Within wealth, you might have cryptocurrency, you might have e-commerce, you might have affiliate marketing, you might have real estate. Like, there's a whole bunch of ways to build wealth, right? And you might find a specific niche. Or in health, right, you might find vegan, or you might find fitness, or all types of things, right? The list goes on and on and on and on. Another niche is travel, right? I could literally create a business off of travel. Because I'm always traveling, I can refer products pertaining to travel and get paid doing so. It'd be pretty easy because it's congruent with the brand that I'm building for myself. I'm always traveling, right? So with that being said, the easiest way is you want to make sure the 2 P's, right? I like to call it the 2 P's. Number one is that it's something that you're passionate about, and number two is that it's profitable, right? Because there's a lot of passions out there that doesn't have too good profit margins. Meaning, if you're interested in basket weaving, right, you're probably not going to be able to promote a $1,000 product to get paid a $500 commission on basket weaving. But if you're talking about, like what I do, affiliate marketing and making money online, that's my niche, there is large profit margins. It's something that I'm passionate about. I'm literally teaching you about it right now. And number two, there is profit margins. There's courses that go upwards of $2,000 to $3,000. Right? There's actually some things that I promote that recently generated a $3,200 commission because it was an $8,000 product. Do people actually make these type of investments? Absolutely, right? So you want to find something that you're passionate about. 2 P's, passion, profitable, right? So once you have those 2 things aligned, you don't want to just be passionate about something, but there's no profit margins. And if there's no profit margins, you can only be passionate about something so long and continuously making efforts if you're not making a financial gain, right? So do your research, figure out what's your niche, right? If you want a little bit more information on how to find your niche, you could simply Google how to find a niche or different niches, right? Or you can go to an affiliate network and see what type of products you can promote in different niches. An example, you can go to clickbank.com, and there's a whole bunch in their marketplace, and it's very easy to get accepted. You can see all the different niches, right? You can be like, oh crap, I didn't even know there was products within this niche. Yeah, I want to go and promote that because I'm passionate about that. I love travel, or I love e-business and e-marketing, or I love fitness. Oh my gosh, I can talk about fitness all day, every day, and I can get paid doing it? Yes, right? So find a niche. Once you find a niche, you want to find a variety of products, right? Low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket, right? I would highly recommend starting with low ticket to get your feet wet. And what that simply means is a low ticket offer is something that is very cheap, right? $10, $20, right? You might get a 40% commission. Imagine you promote a $14 ebook, you get paid a 50% commission, that's $7. The reason why is because you want that first sale. Once you get that first sale, it's going to go ahead and build momentum, right? It's going to give you that sense of confidence that it's possible, right? If you just start off trying to promote something that's $1,000, it might take a while, right? It takes skill to actually promote things, whether it's paid advertisement or organic, and we'll get to that in a second. It takes a while. So you want to promote something that is easy to sell. So start with low ticket. So find different offers. The way you find offers is simply search for offers online within that niche, or you can even join a free affiliate network, something like ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon Associates, the list goes on. You find an affiliate network, find different products or digital or tangible products within that niche. Once you find those products, you're simply going to go ahead and get your affiliate list, right? So you find a product that you want to promote, then you want to go ahead and find an affiliate link, right? Last but not least is you want to go ahead and get 3 things, right? There's 3 essential things to affiliate marketing, right? Number 1 is you need a sales process. The old-fashioned way, which I still do myself, is a website, an affiliate website. So you might create a niche-based affiliate website to where you have different products on that actual website. A good one to actually look at, if you go to TyLopez.com. Now, it's not an affiliate website, but it is a website where he sells multiple products, right? And the thing about it is, you could literally model something like that. Or if you go to, there's a whole bunch, right? If you go to, let me think, Expedia.com. Go to Expedia.com. Expedia.com is a giant affiliate website for flights, right? So that's another example. Or what I personally do, if you want to do paid campaigns, is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is simply a process to where you're literally creating a series of steps to actually sell a product, right, on autopilot. So you have a capture page to capture leads. You have a thank you page to basically whatever you are promoting for free, and you're going to be selling your product on the back end. You're literally going to be able to say, hey, thank you for putting your information. Here's what you're requesting, but while you wait, take a look at this. You redirect them to your actual affiliate offer, and then on the back end, they get introduced to your affiliate offer. Now, the reason why it's important to have a sales funnel is because you can capture leads. When you capture those leads, like I said, you're going to be able to follow up with those people. Now, that brings me up to my next point, right? You have that sales process. The next thing is traffic, right? Now, what type of traffic do you want? There's organic and then there's paid traffic. So there's Facebook ads, solo ads. There's a whole bunch of type of banner ads, Google AdWords, YouTube ads. There's a whole bunch of paid advertisement sources that you can be driving clicks to your sales funnels and then driving them through that sales process, collecting those leads and following up with them. Or you can do organic, right? Blogs. You can create a niche-based account, like an Instagram account. You can create a YouTube account to where you're doing content marketing. 80% of your videos are value, then the other percentage is just redirecting towards your affiliate offers. There's all types of things that you guys can do, but the objective is you want to get as much traffic as possible, eyeballs, right? Because that traffic is going to turn into leads, which is going to turn into prospects. Those prospects are going to turn into future sales, right? And the last but not least is follow up. If you start building an email list, that's just another following or distribution channel that you can start following up with those individuals on autopilot and generating sales. You want to redirect them or give them value, and then while you're giving them value, you want to here and there give them different promotional offers or referrals. Meaning, if you're constantly building an email list around the fitness niche, and you're constantly giving them tips on working out or losing weight or foods to avoid, then here and there you might go ahead and send a list. Oh my gosh, my last email that I sent you was about the 5 foods to avoid. This offer, right, will actually allow you to eat those foods, but you'll still be able to get results with losing weight. Check this out. And it'll literally redirect them to a sales presentation. That sales presentation will go ahead and sell them on that offer. And once you generate sales on autopilot, imagine you send it to 1,000 people. On autopilot, a certain amount of those people actually view it. You'll generate sales, you'll generate commissions. With a click of a button, and this is for real, with a click of a button, you can generate thousands of dollars. Now, you're not going to get there right away, but what's pretty cool is that you could eventually get there simply by learning how to leverage all these systems, these processes, and executing and implementing these things that I'm teaching you, right? Now, you're probably wrapping your head around this like, what the hell? You just threw so much at me. But it's very simple. It's like riding a bike, guys. When you first ride a bike, you fall over and over and over again. It's not going to be easy, but when you do something repetitively over and over again, it literally becomes like riding a bike. Second nature. Me personally, I know how to create sales funnels. I know how to create email marketing campaigns. I know how to do email marketing. I know how to drive traffic. All this is second nature, which allows me to live this dream lifestyle and travel full time and literally have commissions rolling into my bank account on the daily consistently, and all passive income because I've learned these fundamentals and I've done them over and over again to where I mastered them. I implement them, rinse and repeat, and I use it to scale my business. Now, if you do want, because obviously within this video, yes, you gain value, that is where you start, but if you want like the step-by-step process and you want to put all the puzzle pieces together, I have a course called Jumpstart Affiliate. Link in the description. You can actually get access to it 50% off, and by the time you're watching this, hopefully that discount is still available. It's not going to be available for long. Grab access to that course and it'll literally show you the step-by-step processes to implement to get results within your business. And also, I do have a free ebook for you that'll kind of tie those pieces together and give you a little, shed the light more about what I talked about in Affiliates Playbook. It is literally the blueprint to success in affiliate marketing. You can go to affiliatesplaybook.com or go to the link in the description. So with that being said, guys, that is what you need. Find something that you're passionate about, that's profitable. Find a way, find offers that you can promote within that niche. Find a way to actually promote it and get it sold. Get visitors to that actual sales process. Once you start building a list, the people who don't buy then and there, you follow up. But if you want more information on that process, read that ebook, link in the description. And if you really want to get results and you really want to get started and you're serious and you want my hands-on mentorship, go to jumpstartaffiliate.com or link in the description. And I can walk you step by step and help you crush it in affiliate marketing and help you live the dream lifestyle. With that being said, my friend, I appreciate you so freaking much, Eric Ellis Jr. Make sure you subscribe to join the family. Hit that like button. Hit that notifications bell. And Eric Ellis Jr., check it out.